Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a Leetcode medium question that I solved around, you could say 75% of a year ago, about 8 months ago. So again, I think it's a good time to review this to see if I can solve it again. So this one's called binary search tree iterator. So you're given a class that you want to iterate over, represents the in-order traversal of a binary search tree. So basically you're given this constructor and then this method that you want to implement. So initializes the object, the root. Okay, so this one returns true, and this one actually returns a, well, integer boolean. Okay, so let's call this self.root is root, and then has next returns true. So I just if self.root.write, then return true, else return, well, return self.root.write.value. Okay, and if there's a next value, so if return self.root.write is not null, so you don't even need to say that. So run this. Okay, so it's not the valid value. Okay, self.root equals self.root.write. Maybe like this. Okay. Now I'm going to the traversal to the right of the pointer. So return 15. Let's print self.root. So we're at 7. Okay, so moves it to the right. Okay, this might get a none type error. Okay, so if self.root, then do this. Return self.root is not none, right? Has no attribute right. Okay, so if self.root.write is not none, then we do this. Okay. Why is it 3 and then 7? So you want to go in order. Because in order is just self.root. In order is just left, root, right. So if not root, return F. So left, right, and then return root. Right? Value. Okay, well, let's see here. So 7. So left, root, right. Let's do this. So 3, okay. Three, 7, 9. So that's exactly what we want, except so self.a is, say, -1. Self.a equals root.value. And let's call this self.count is 0. Self.count plus equals to 1. If self.count is less than or equal to 0, then we do this. And then just return self.a, hopefully. Okay. Yeah, it's weird. So 3, 7. So right. Let's, okay, how about this? Let's just do the in order here. And then let's call self.current. Self.current.append root.value. And that just makes it easier because we can just say, let's call this actually a queue. Return self.cur.pop left, because that's actually the integer that we had, right, most recently. Is not, oh, okay, return self.current has some elements in it, is bigger than 0, right? Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, I'm really happy I was able to solve it on my own, even though it was a little bit of a struggle. I think this makes sense. Just do the in order here, and then just keep popping left until you don't have any elements anymore, because we're going to go 3, 7, 9, 15, 20, right? In order traversal. Left root right, left root right. So 15 is hit twice. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.